Swing Sloth, Explore the Rainforest by Susan B. Newman and National Geographic Kids. Swing Sloth. Welcome to the rainforest. This is a three-toed sloth. It rains a lot. Here is a Borneo pygmy elephant. There are tall trees. There is hot sun. This is a golden bamboo lemur. The rainforest is a good place for animals. Here is a jaguar. Sloths swing. This is a three-toed sloth. Snakes slither. This is a mountain saipu snake. Macaws call. Butterflies flutter. This is a blue morpho butterfly. Monkeys climb. These are duskleaf monkeys. Some animals here are big, like the silverback gorilla. Some are small, like the red-eyed tree frog. Some lie on leaves, like the Fiji crested iguana. Sloths swing in trees. The rainforest is home to them all. That's a two-toed sloth. Can you find three animals in the rainforest picture below? Pause the video if you'd like to find them. The end.